So today we're going to be talking about SUMIF. So we already have the table here. We have the months, which are January and February. We have the days, which is Monday through Sunday. We have dogs, so the amount of dogs on each day, the amount of cats on each day, and the amount of lizards on each day. The way I like to think about SUMIF is we're looking in this column or row for this thing, and we want the amount of something. If we do equals SUMIF, and we look in the months, and we're looking for January, and we want the amount of dogs, then we get 280. And now we can change the months to whatever month we want. In this case, we only have January and February, so we'll do February, which is also 280. So let's say instead of months, we wanted to know how many dogs on Mondays for both January and February. We would do SUMIF. We're going to look in the days. We're going to look for Monday, and we want the amount of dogs. We'll get 20 because 10 on the first Monday and then 10 on the second Monday. And that's how you SUMIF. So there's also something called SUMIFs. SUMIFs formula is a little bit different, but it gives us the same concept. We're looking for the sum of something based on a certain criteria, but with SUMIFs, we can do multiple criteria. So the formula is equals SUMIFs. We're looking for the amount of lizards. In this case, we're looking for the months. We're looking for February. We're looking for the days. We're looking for Monday specifically. And that gives us 1. Because there's only one lizard in January on Monday. Now, if you wanted to change this around, we could change this to Tuesday, and we would get 2. That's SUMIFs. SUMIFs gives us the ability to add more criteria. That's the difference between SUMIF and SUMIFS. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.